Hello everyone. In this video today I am going to show you how to create an online registration form using Google Form. Firstly, you have to be a sign in Google account and click this icon. Then you will find Google Form option. Click on it. Here is Google Form template sample and blank page. We will click blank page. Untitled form. Here we will type our form title, online registration form. Here you can type your title description, about your title description. Then we will add question, type full name. There are many options: short answer, paragraphs, multiple choice, checkbox, drop down, linear scale, file upload. We will choose short answer. Question fill up required. Add another question. Here we will type date of birth. We will choose date. Record. Add question. Sex. Here we will choose checkbox. Male, female. Add question, import question, title and description, add image, add video, and add section. Add question, email. Email will choose short answer, phone number, add question, short answer, address, address. You can choose short answer, paragraphs. We'll choose paragraphs. Language, here we will choose multiple choice. English, French, Hindi. Record. Country. Checkbox. Your drop down list. Canada. India. Others. record. You can edit, click on it, this icon, this icon, this icon, and then you can move this box and theme. You can choose an image on your computer, from your computer, or you can choose here on sample. This is, now I will click preview this option. These are online form, name, date of birth, sex, male, female, email, phone number, address, language, country, Canada, and script. Then submit. Here is your Google Form link. You can share this link anywhere for submit. Finally, we will create our online form. Thank you for watching.